Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we'll learn average function with formula. Two easy ways of average formula. The first method, average function with formula. Second method, average function without formula. So first one, use the equal to AVERAGE average for reference. The quarter one last reference, bracket close, or enter. You can see the total has been done. Apply the percent, again track the all cells. The first method. Second method, average function without formula. Now I control Z, control plus A, select the table, go to the auto sum. Again you can see average function, just click, can see the apply average formula. So easy.